welcome back to another boxing lesson. Today we are going to be breaking down the simple movement as forward, forward, back, back. Alright? So like always, get in your fighting positions and make sure your foundation good, hands up here. Alright? And all you want to do is a step forward. You see how when you step forward, pretend that this leg retarded. It's dunce, fully dunce. It's just gonna follow, right? Step, follow, like that. Let's do it again. So you're in your position, right? You're right here. You step, follow, step, follow, just like that. Now, when you're going backwards, when you go backwards, the leader foot will be the retarded foot, and the rear foot will be the leader. So you step back and you see how I'm not over exaggerating it. I'm not like a this, letting my balls hang on their floor and things like that. No, I'm just doing a little step, drag, step, drag. You see that? And you see how me are keeping eye contact with the opponent at all times. So when you step forward, boom, boom, right? Back, boom, boom. You get that? Now, rewind to the beginning of going forward. When you're going forward, it's not a step. Boom. You're not a stepping. No. You are slide. It's almost like you're on the heel of your foot. Your heel, boom. And then you drag the toe, right? Slide. Drag. Same back, you know? When you're going back, you're not like a this stepping. No. You drag, boom. Drag, boom. You get that? Now speed it up. So you're forward, forward, back, back. Right? And when you get that, you can add your punches into it. So step forward, back, back, forward, forward, back, back. Just like that. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.